Okay, sige. I will teach you how to change. I thought I have recorded the first video I did, so let me do it again. So first, since SPSS will not receive an input which are letters, it receive, but then you really need to set it into numbers so that you can compute or analyze it. So first you need to, so we will do it for gender, grade, and strand. So gender here is male and female represented by M and F. We need to change them to numbers, so we need to code. M is the one that means male is 1, and then female is 2. So highlight this one and then proceed to filter if you are using Excel. However, if you are using WPS, please find a way to search for the filter. It's somewhere here, but I cannot teach you since I'm using Microsoft Excel. So deselect all the check and then click on the M. Okay. So you have now all the M's. Change the value of the first cell into 1 and then drag this. Be sure you have the cross, the dark cross. Okay, we have this cross which is bigger. This one is the cross sign which is all black. So drag it down until the last M will become also 1. See? So 1 na sila tanan. And then you check F and then okay, so you have F. Here, you change F to 2, the first cell only. Click the box here. Remember the black cross and then drag up to the bottom, the last F. And if you're done with changing M and F to 1 and 2, you can proceed to filter and then clear it out. So recall that the first three values here a while ago were M's and now they are 1's, and the rest of the values are becoming 1 and 2's. Okay, so